Good morning. Welcome to your March 20th, 10 a.m. weather briefing. Yesterday across the region, we had a fairly seasonable day with temperatures mainly in the mid-50s, except for Ocean City, which failed to reach that 50-degree mark at 49 degrees. Richmond and our nation's capital were the warmest at 54 degrees. Here at Wallops, fell just below that at 53 degrees. Salisbury again was the cold spot yesterday with a temperature of 26. Overnight last night, with a temperature of 26 degrees. Here at Wallops, got down to a low of 30 degrees. No precipitation across the region yesterday, and currently we have mostly cloudy to partly sunny skies across the area. Here at Wallops, partly sunny with a temperature of 46 degrees as of 9 a.m. Upper air sounding this morning, showing easterly winds at 16 knots at the 1,000-foot level, dying off to about 5 knots around the 6,000-foot level, and then we see a pretty strong increase as we go up through the atmosphere, and we have our wind max right now out of the west at 61 knots at the 25,000-foot level. Freezing level this morning was at 2,400 feet. Just looking at the current radar right now, we do have some light shower returns over southern Virginia and northern North Carolina. That shower activity pretty much going to remain south of our area throughout the day today, and being that we have fairly dry low levels across the Delmarva Peninsula. Showers look to hold off until about 9 p.m. this evening, as we'll have an area of low pressure that will begin to form in response to upper level trough that will be digging into the area. However, we do have a good amount of cloud cover streaming across the area, mainly in the upper levels, but clouds will be increasing as we go throughout this morning and into the afternoon, especially in the mid-levels, as we should start to see some ceilings develop around 8,000 feet, mainly after 2 p.m. this afternoon, and they'll continue to lower as we go throughout the day today. So we'll start to see our sunshine begin to wane as we go throughout the day today, thanks to the increasing cloud cover. So looking at the current surface analysis, we have high pressure that is continuing to slide offshore into the northern Atlantic area, and high pressure still ridging back into the eastern shore, which should provide us with another fairly seasonal day for us today. Highs getting into the mid-50s, but then again we'll have an upper level short wave that'll be diving into our area overnight tonight and aiding to form a stronger area of low pressure to our south, and that'll actually be moving mainly over the bay and west of or east, of I-95, and pretty much track right over our area and providing us with a good amount of rainfall as we go into this evening, overnight tonight, and into the morning hours tomorrow. And then we'll start to see showers become more scattered in nature as we get into the later portions of the morning and the afternoon for our day on Thursday. Looking at our Wednesday midday planner, again, mostly cloudy skies as we go throughout the day today. And then heading into the evening hours, we'll start to see some shower activity begin to enter the region. Looks like it'll hold off until after 9 p.m. this evening, as the lower levels are still fairly dry. So it's going to take a little bit to saturate those low levels and allow for the shower activity to reach the ground. Showers become more likely after 11 p.m. this evening, and then we'll have a good amount of rainfall heading into the overnight hours past 2 a.m. as we can see some moderate rainfall continuing into tomorrow morning as that area of low pressure strengthens and tracks just west of the area, or west of Wallops, I should say, and up the model charts kind of want to take it right up the Chesapeake. But this is Thursday p.m. and this is about the time frame that we'll start to see drier air begin to infiltrate the region in the mid-levels, which should effectively shut off much of the precip over the local area. Again, that's when the showers are going to pretty much become more scattered in nature, and really not going to see the moderate rainfall anymore, just some periods of some light scattered showers as we head into the afternoon time frame on Thursday. On Friday, the area of low pressure will depart well to our north, but increase, and we'll have high pressure that will be building into the central portions of the United States. Will act to produce quite a tight pressure gradient over the region, so we'll have fairly blustery conditions for us on Friday and continuing into Saturday as well. So as we look at the next 24 hours, we'll be green through about 8 p.m. this evening. Temperatures rising into the mid-50s with easterly winds at about 9 to 14 knots being the predominant wind throughout the day today. Rain showers enter the region after 9 p.m. this evening, and we'll see our temperatures just drop down into the mid-40s, so a fairly mild night for us overnight tonight with onshore winds slightly on a slightly breezy side, winds picking up out of an east-southeasterly direction at about 10 to 15 knots tomorrow morning by about 8 a.m. And we'll have periods of moderate rainfall as we go throughout the overnight hours. Could even see some ceilings drop below 500 feet potentially if we get any moderate to heavier rainfall occurring over the local area. For our day on Thursday, rain will be likely during the morning time frame, then becoming more scattered during the afternoon. We'll have breezy winds with a high of 56 degrees. Thursday night, mostly cloudy and breezy with a low of 44 degrees. And then for our day on Friday, mostly sunny and breezy, becoming mostly cloudy by the mid-afternoon time frame, as we'll have a backdoor frontal system moving through the area, which could produce some passing shower in the mid to late afternoon time frame, as we'll have another upper level shortwave that'll be digging across the region as well. We'll have to high of around 57 degrees for our day on Friday. Heading into the weekend, we'll have temperatures drop slightly on Saturday with a high of 53 degrees, and then temperatures will rebound as we'll have high pressure building back over the region and an upper level ridge building as well. Temperatures on Sunday getting up to 59 degrees, and then on Monday we'll get up to a high of 65 degrees for our daytime on Monday with increasing cloudiness, as we'll have another system that'll look to impact our area from the west, introducing the chance for some rainfall for us late Monday into Tuesday. As you can see, we'll only get up to a high of around 52 degrees on Sunday, as we'll have a boundary pretty much forming right over the region and onshore flow redeveloping across the area as well. Let it conclude the 10 a.m. weather briefing for today. We'll be back with you tomorrow morning at 8:15 for your daily operations weather briefing. Have a great day.